Hey everyone, my name is Jake, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini to audit your site and simulate UX research done with your various personas. So today we're going to go ahead and sign in, and once we sign in, I can see all of the audits I've done of my website as well as other sites in the past. So today we're going to go ahead and start a new audit. So to start an audit, all you have to do is go ahead and enter your website's URL. And from there, you can enter authentication credentials as well. So if you have a login page and you would need your agent to enter a username and password, you can do that right here. From there, you'll be able to go ahead and select different types of users. Now, we give you 5 out of the box, and these are really good to get you started. Things like first-time user, mobile users, accessibility users, are all going to give you really good feedback that a UX researcher would be looking for as they audit your website or web app. Besides that, though, you can also go ahead and make your own personas. And I think that's where this gets really powerful. So for example, I sell a hockey product, and what you'll notice here is I have a Toronto team mom manager that lets me go ahead and simulate a team mom looking at my website. Now, if you want to go ahead and build your own persona, all you have to do is describe kind of your target customer of your app or website, whether they use desktop and mobile, and it'll go ahead and generate that for you. Now, once I click Run Audit, we're to the races. What you're going to see here is all 3 personas have been spun up. And at this point, we're going to start getting screenshots back from our website as the agent goes ahead and browses it. Now, this takes about 3 to 5 minutes, maybe total, to finish end to end. So instead of making you wait through that, what I'm going to go ahead and do is show you one that I ran earlier. So you can see that my entire site map from header to footer has been browsed by these agents and kind of stitched together in desktop and mobile screenshots, and that each agent's giving us kind of unique quotes from their perspective about exactly how they feel about the various pages of our site. Now, at this point, you could go ahead and just check out the consolidated report and get a summary of exactly what we think you should do next. So for example, are you needing to make some accessibility changes? Is there any kind of recommendations to copy we might have? Is there imagery we would like to see? What worked well? All of that's right here. Now, if you don't feel like doing this and you kind of just want to throw it back to the agent that built your website, I get it. We do have a send to agent button, and you can just go ahead and copy this and paste it right into like Claude Code, and it'll go ahead and give you an updated version using anti-gravity, Claude Code, Cursor, whatever. So that's one way to kind of use this tool. Now, another way to use this tool, sorry about that. Another way to use this tool is that if you actually kind of want to take through like a professional presentation, like we would do in a corporate setting, what you can do here is actually go through this 5-tab presentation here, and you'll actually get a high-level report of exactly what the agent found with visuals to support it using those screenshots. So this really does simulate like kind of what a UX researcher would deliver. And this is kind of the tool in a nutshell. So if you're interested, I'm going to post the domain to the project below. I'm also going to do a full write-up of like how I built this, why I made some of these architectural decisions, and why this is probably the optimal way for agents to audit your website and make sure they don't miss anything. And then lastly, I'm going to share the GitHub with you. So if you want to kind of spin off and do your own thing or contribute, you're welcome to. So thanks again for checking this out. Hope this was helpful, and good luck.